Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to change Shopify product image size. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, you are going to be heading over to sales channel from the left side of your screen, and once you are there, click onto online store and then head over to themes. Once you are onto your themes section, you need to click on customize here, as you can see, and let's just say you want to change Shopify product images. You can do that by simply clicking onto them. You can see we have heading size, heading itself, and all of this is basically shown up in here. So let's just say you want to show less images. You can scroll down this wheel. Let me just cross this, or you can also reduce number of columns. So if you want to totally set or maybe resize this image, you can do that by simply going back. Let me just go back, and here you're going to be heading over to this three dots, edit code. Once you are onto this section, you are going to be simply changing the code from here, and that, my friend, is going to be easily modifying your online store and the size of image. So that's how easy it is, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.